It has antimicrobial silver in it. Hello, welcome to New Modern Beauty. Angel and myself, we are going to be demoing our favorite facial device, which is Lumispa. We are going to feature a new attachment head, which we'll be showing you later. It's for your eyes.
So I will show you how to use Lumispa because I put on my makeup, so I just do it on my hand. So put the gel, you have to put like.
Okay, usually you put that much for your face.
Yeah, but this is
it has two major functions or benefits. One is the skin renewal. That means that instead of using your hands to wash your face, you actually use this device to not only to cleanse your skin thoroughly, but also to tighten the pores and also the skins. So what it does is that it's doing this. It's like, this is called Micropulse oscillation. So while the outer ring is going clockwise, the inner one is going the opposite way, and they rotate like this. So it's not like one direction, like it's not going in one direction like this, which is really damaging for your skin, but it's going back and forth like that. So it's like a gentle massage on your face. These ones, this is the sensitive one. It's quite cute, right? It's very cute. I feel like it's very cute. And that's the hard one. Okay, maybe I'll just go this way. Okay, there you go. This is the softest. This is all of these are medical grade silicone. It has antimicrobial silver in it, so it's pretty much stays germ free for 3 months. We always recommend you change them after 3 months. First of all, the silicone would be more prone to bacterial infections.
I also want to show you the different,
it's a different color.
You can see different colors.
Different colors.
More like
Yeah.
lightening, and then I think the texture is more soft. You can actually touch it.
Okay.
Yeah. But you can also see the different
Colors. Yeah. I think the knuckles as well.
Yeah.
Because you use your entire, you
Yeah,
use it here,
yeah.
right? Yeah. So like the knuckles also has less. It has more of a sheen to it and more smooth. We'll take a photo of before and after and then put it in the comments below. So not to worry, we're gonna show you the before and after. Should we
move on to the?
Let's move on.